Hello guys, good afternoon guys. So, I'm here at Alpha Syndrome Asylum. This is the Postrero. So, mo lagi nang accidentally firing, no? Ang ako ang create firearms revolver diya sa kining kasada tungod kay natangtang ang ako ang belt, no? Buckle belt. So, may one seat of buckle was fall down to the ground, no? And then my service firearm 38 was they call this was fired, no? Going to the ceiling of the chest diagnostic and we going to inside. So that is very accidentally, no? That I was standing here and then my firearms will fold my what they call this my belt, no, one set of belt, and then my firearms will fire going to the ceiling, and then on that time I'll going to contact to the radio to the entrance gate of Binigutong for proper investigation, but until now from 12:44, no, 12:44 hours, no, alas 12:44 hangtod karon na mag alas 1:38 na lang, so wa gini ari nga agency, no, o sa head guard diya sa Binigutong wa gini ari na katong pagkahitabo gitawag naman po nila for proper investigation, and then my to witness my buckle belt was fall down, and also my safety 38 revolver firearms, no, nga akong gikuhaan siya og bullet from the right, and then the trigger was pointing to the live bullet but accidentally firing, no. So mo ni guys ang ako ang problema karon, nagpaabot pa ko sa ilang investigation. Nagpasalamat ko kay wala tayo na ikot na rin ng mga tao sa suod or ako ba ni okay lang, wala problema. So mo ni guys, again, this is Kuya Ani Ascale Aguila. Good afternoon to everyone and God bless to all. Mabuhay.